So we're talking about tractors. We bought this 50 horsepower tractor around 2011. We use it for the heavier duty work here on the farm, like bush hogging, handling heavier loads like the 5 and 6 foot rows of hay and pulling in logs. The one issue I have found is we bought it without a front end loader. So if you are planning to invest in a tractor, take my word for it. Spend the extra money, get a front end loader. So I fabricated a mount for the hay spear kit that I bought to handle the smaller rows of hay. Had to add a plate because of the thickness of the bucket to make it stiffer. And also had to add a leg. This is our second tractor we purchased. We got a 4-wheel drive, primary purpose to mow our hillside yard. But we wanted a front end loader to handle hay, dirt, compost. This little fella seemed to fit our needs quite well. homemade log dolly. I see a lot of flaws with it, things that I would have done different. But I throwed it together quick so that I could drag the logs in without dragging them through the mud, except for the tail end. So we bought this used dirt digger truck for farm use. It's worth its weight in gold. Currently use it to handle logs for our sawmill where we make our own lumber. But the possibilities are endless.